Welcome to the Weekly Tech Update with me, Mike Walmsley. It's a look at everything that's happened in the worlds of technology, the internet, search engines and social media over the last week. This week I've got stories from Microsoft, LG, Apple and Google, and I've even got Twitter's most popular tweet ever. If you were looking for a new TV, then you might be interested in the new 84-inch ultra high definition TV from LG. It will be released here in the UK at the end of this month and has a resolution that is 4 times greater than that of a standard HD TV set. It also has 3D capability and comes with 7 pairs of 3D glasses. However, it also comes with a £15,000 price tag, and that means that you probably don't have enough time to be good between now and Christmas for Santa Claus to leave one in your Christmas stocking. That is, of course, assuming that you have a stocking that you can fit an 84-inch TV into. If you have a small business but no fixed premises, such as say a mobile hairdresser or a taxi driver, then you may well struggle to take card payments from your customers. A new service has just been launched in the UK that may help you out. It's called iZettle, and that's Zettle with a Z, and for just £20 you can purchase a card reader that attaches to an iPhone, iPad or certain Android handsets, and it will enable you to take card payments. It's a really simple system to use, and you can even email a receipt to the purchaser once the payment's completed. At the moment it's being promoted by Everything Everywhere, and you can get more details on the service from their website. Here's a strange fact for you. iPad owners download 5 times as many apps as the owners of Android tablets, but Android phone owners download far more apps than iPhone owners. Of course, everybody downloads more than BlackBerry owners. Microsoft Office may very well be coming to an iOS or Android device near you in 2013. It is thought that users will initially be able to view documents on their smartphones, but eventually will be able to buy a subscription to Office 365 that will then allow them to edit their documents on their phones. The Panda is back. Google have released another Panda update on November the 5th, causing a few fireworks when site owners found that their rankings had dropped. Panda is a codename used by Google to a change in the algorithm that it uses to rank websites. The aim is to stop sites with low quality content from appearing high up in Google's rankings. If you have found that your rankings have suddenly dropped over the last few days, then do get in touch with me, as there are ways that you can reverse this fall. You may have noticed some changes to the way Google displays its search results. They are rolling out a new user interface for desktops where the menu items that were formerly in a sidebar now run across the page just above the search box, mirroring the version that mobile users see. This is additional to the black bar that runs across the top of the page, and also includes a new option to filter the results for apps. If you haven't noticed the change yet, don't worry, you will do in the next few weeks. If you are an admin of a brand page on Facebook and you have an iPhone, then you will be very pleased to hear that the latest update to the Facebook Pages app for iOS allows you to queue your messages for the first time rather than your updates being posted immediately as has previously happened. This sort of functionality has always been available through services such as Hootsuite or TweetDeck, and now Facebook has caught up and are providing a service that will be very useful to page owners. The 11th of November is a very poignant date, marking the anniversary of the ending of the First World War in 1918. Since 1919, a 2-minute silence has been observed in the UK at 11 o'clock, the time the guns fell silent as the armistice came into effect. People in the UK buy and wear red poppies as a mark of respect for those who have fallen in combat. The proceeds from the poppies are used by the Royal British Legion to help support injured soldiers and the families of those British troops that have been killed in all conflicts since 1918. This year they are taking to social media in a big way and are using an app called Thunderclap to send a message out saying that users will be observing the 2-minute silence at 11 o'clock this Sunday. The message will go out at 9 AM on the morning and will read, "I'll be remembering the fallen at 11 o'clock, with the hashtags 2-minute silence and lest we forget." If you would like to take part in this show of support, then you'll find a link to the page that allows you to sign up to this in the credits to today's show. And finally, who would have thought that 3 words would be the most retweeted in Twitter history? Those romantics out there will be disappointed to find out that the 3 words in question were not "I love you," but that it was 4 more years, tweeted by Barack Obama's official Twitter account when it became apparent that the US President had secured a second term in office on Tuesday night. The tweet has been retweeted over 700,000 times. My name is Mike Walmsley, and I'll be back next week with another weekly tech update. Thanks for watching.